Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Slack for team communication, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin connecting with Slack for team communication, first, open your web browser and navigate to the Slack website. If you do not have a Slack account yet, click on the sign up button to create one. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and create a password. After signing up, check your email for a confirmation message from Slack. Click the verification link in the email to activate your account. Once your account is activated, log in using your email and password. Next, create a new workspace for your team by following the on-screen instructions. You will be prompted to name your workspace and add your team members. After setting up your workspace, familiarize yourself with the Slack interface. To start communicating, click on the Channels section on the left sidebar. Create a new channel by clicking the plus icon next to Channels. Name your channel and decide whether it should be public or private. Invite team members to join your channel by typing their names or email addresses. Once your channel is created, start your first message by typing in the message box at the bottom. You can format your messages using the toolbar above the message box. Use mentions by typing it followed by a team member's name to notify them directly. To share files, click on the paperclip icon in the message box and select the file you wish to upload. You can also integrate other tools and apps by clicking on the Apps section in the left sidebar. Search for the tools you want to connect, like Google Drive or Trello, and follow the installation prompts. Adjust your notification settings by going to Preferences under your workspace name in the top left. Set up your preferences for desktop and mobile notifications to stay informed. For team collaboration, utilize features like threads to keep conversations organized. Encourage your team to participate in discussions and share updates regularly. Regularly review the channels and adjust their structure as your team evolves. Remember to maintain a positive communication tone to foster a collaborative environment. Finally, invite feedback from your team about their Slack experience to continuously improve communication. That's it. You're now set up to effectively connect with Slack for your team communication needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.